Okay guys, so just a brief back test session. Okay, so currently on gold we are on the 2 minute time frame, and then let me quickly go to the 20 minutes time frame, and then we are clearly going to see that price has been very bullish. And then don't forget, we do reactionary trading. Okay, so we have this zone, do you get me, that has been reached by price. Do you get me? Price is currently at that zone. Okay. So um, we are watching to see if price is going to give a significant reaction of the zone, and then we know that there was a zone also before. Do you get me? There was a zone also that was breached. Do you get me? That was not mitigated at all. So in some ways you can see there's been a liquidity grab. So what we do is that if price reaches this zone, do you get me, we are watching to see if there's going to be a bearish reaction. Do you get me? So that is what currently we are seeking to validate. Now, looking at this chart, you would realize that one, a lot of choppy price action has taken place, which symbolizes that price can possibly reverse. Okay, price can possibly reverse. Let me position the camera well. Now, when you watch here, you can see there's a significant high here, and you can see that this other block, okay, or this candle took out this high. Now it means that liquidity has also been taken. Do you get me? On the lower time frame, liquidity has been taken. Now, right after the liquidity was taken, we saw this strong bearish action. Do you get me? We had this rejection and this strong bearish action, which led to a break of structure over here, here at this point. Do you get me? Here at this point. Now, at the break of structure, we are going to mark out this other block precisely. Okay, because this was a candle that led to the significant drop. Okay, so we are waiting for price to tap into this zone and then expect a sell. And as you guys know, we target a 1:4 hour. Okay, so this trade is just took place some few minutes ago. Okay, and then I just decided to document it. So we put our stop loss here. Okay, and the reason why we put our stop loss exactly at that high is because if price goes beyond that level, it means that our trading idea is no more valid. Do you get me? So we can put our entry maybe somewhere here. Okay, just to get a better RR. Okay, and then we'll be targeting a 1:4. Okay, a 1:4. Yes, so we have it now. So that is the risk to reward. Do you get me? The risk to reward ratio is 4. Okay, so whichever amounts we are going to risk on this trade, we expect to make what 4 times. So let's see how price behaves. So let me forward price action. Okay, and we can see that. Okay, wow, so our zone has been tapped into, the other block has been precisely mitigated. Okay, and then price is moving nicely, has respected the zone we marked out. And then let's see what happens, let's see how it goes. Okay, so you can clearly see that if we should have set our stop losses at break even when this low was taken out, do you get me, our entry would have still been safe. Do you get, because this retracement didn't touch the entry level. Do you get me? So let's see how price action is going to end there nicely. Okay, a TP has been hit for a 1:4. Okay, now let's see if something interesting can roll out again. Okay, let's see if something interesting can roll out. So you know, price is fractal. Okay, whatever happens on the higher time frame, so happens on the lower time frame. Now, interestingly enough, we can also see that this is a supply zone that got breached. Do you get me? And then this zone was taken from the higher time frame. Do you get me? Was taken from the higher time frame. So um if the market will be bullish, do you get me? If the market will be bullish, then it means that price can spring on this supply, so this supply zone can flip, okay, and then now become a demand zone. Okay, so let's see how this is also going to roll out. Okay, so let's look for a confluence for the buy. So the same idea we apply for the sell, we are applying the same idea for the buy. So we can see that when price tapped into this flipped supply zone, okay, we can see it gave a very nice bullish reaction. Okay, and you can clearly see that two other blocks were created. Okay, now this is a good zone, as well as this is also a good zone. Okay, this is also a good zone, but you realize that the second zone has not been mitigated. Do you get me? Has not been properly mitigated, and then therefore it is a point that price would likely come to and then mitigate. Do you get me? So at this point, we are willing to take the risk of buy. Do you get me? And then if price reverses and taps into this other block, then we follow the same approach to target a 1:4. And don't forget that our okay, so 1:4. So don't forget that our stop loss is precisely set, okay, at the low of the other block, because when price goes beyond it, it has invalidated our plan. Okay, so for our strategy to hold, price must respect the zone that has been selected. So let's see if we can get an entry. Yes, and then see how precise price taps into the entry. Okay, see, look at the precision. Okay, price taps into the entry very, 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 very precisely. Do you get me? Taps into the entry point very precisely over here. Do you get me? Before giving the reaction. Okay, before giving the very strong bullish reaction. Okay, yes, and this is how powerful the strategy is. This is how powerful price action can be. Okay, and then let's see what happens. Boom, our TP has been hit. Do you get me? So in just 2 candles, do you get me, our TP has been hit. So the point is not in trading the 4-hour, trading the daily, trading the 1 hour, or trading extremely higher time frame. Okay, but the point is in having a strategy that works. Do you get me? If it works, once you are able to identify the pattern, you just take the risks and then you take the trade, and then you see how the outcome goes. Okay, how the trade goes. So this is how powerful is it in just 2 candles. And then don't forget that we are also trading on the 2 minutes time frame. Do you get me? That is it over here, the 2 minutes time frame. And in just 4 minutes, like, your TP has been hit for a 1:4. Okay, so imagine targeting a 1:4 on a 4-hour chart. Okay, it could take you days. Do you get me? And a lot of price action before you'll be able to achieve that goal. So thank you very much for paying attention.